Okay, so in number 11, they're telling you to find the sum, and you may be looking at it. Okay, so the sigma notation is what indicates find the sum. So you might look at it and not know if this is arithmetic or geometric. So maybe you start putting in some numbers. So if I put 0 in, I get 1.04 raised to the 0, which is 1. So my first number is 400. Now, if I put a 1 in there, I get 400 times 1.04. So if I went to a calculator and I took 400 times 1.04, I would get 416. And if I continue doing that, let's do it again. So I'm going to take that 416. I'm going to take the 400, and it's 1.04. Now I've plugged in a 2, and I get 432.64. And the idea is you can keep going with this, and you have to find 4, 5, 6, 7 numbers that you can add up, because remember, this is going from 0 all the way to 6. So it's 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. I would have to find 7 numbers to get my sum. But one of the things is, I recognize this as geometric. It's just starting with, 400 is my first term. So if you want to, now you can use the formula. So you can do what is called the geometric sum. And I'm going to do 7 for my n value, and then I put the first term in and my r value. And so what I'm recognizing, sorry about that. So what I am recognizing is that my sum, I have to do 7 terms, not 6. A lot of people do 6, but it's 7 terms. My first term was 400. 1 minus 1.04 raised to the 7. And again, a lot of students forget and they put an n minus 1 there because of the find the term formula, but we're going to put just n. And then on the bottom, you have 1.1 minus 1.04. Now, how would I know this? You can go backwards. You can take your 416, divide by 400. And what you'll find is that your R value is that 1.04. So that's why I put it in. So if I use my calculator, I'm just going to do the, well, you could do it all at once if you wanted to. But a lot of times I might just do 1 minus 1.04 raised to the 7th. So that's my top. I put it in parentheses, and then I divide by 1 minus 1.04. That's just the 1 minus r on the bottom. And then I multiply that by the first term. And so I'm getting 3159.32. I would round to the second decimal place, and that would be my answer. So again, though, if you wanted to find these terms, it's going to take you longer, but if you recognize it's geometric, you can use the formula.